What's up everybody? So it's been a while since I did a video and I've been waiting for a few things from AliExpress in order to shoot those videos. But in the meantime, I've had a few questions from some of you who have wanted to know how do you change the bulb in the Footwell, as well as how do you change the bulb in your trunk. So I thought I'd do a video on how you can do some maintenance on your XF yourself. So for the Footwell light, you've got to come down here and you've got to bend yourself underneath so that you can see. And I'm going to put a flashlight in here so that you can see where the unit actually sits. And that is exactly where you want to get access to that bulb. So you can see there's your air conditioning vent and the bulb is actually just sticking out there. And it's really quite simply a matter of just grabbing the bulb and pulling it out. This bulb is a normal Philips W5W or a T10 as it's otherwise known, and you can get these quite easily on eBay. You get ones that are super white, you can also buy blue ones, and I will be installing blue ones in my car as soon as they arrive from China. And to get the bulb back in, you just wedge it back in there. Sorry, my hand is actually in the way. You'll actually feel when it reaches the slot, and you just put it in like that. And the moment you turn on your interior lights, the bulb will turn on as well. In order to do your interior bulbs, these three over here, you need one of these trim removal tools, and this one has a fork at the end and it has a flat section on the other end, and the flat section is really all you're going to need to pull this trim panel out, and you've got to wedge it in there in order to get those clips out. And once the clips come out, it's very easy. It just falls out of place, and I'll show you where the bulbs are. That's what you'll be looking at from the other side. And I just touched, these things are so sensitive, but as you can see, that's where the bulbs are over there. You've got three bulbs, 1, 2, 3, and it's just a matter of twisting these things like that, and the bulb comes out. And again, you're dealing with a W5W bulb. Now you can actually put LEDs in here if you want to. I personally don't like LEDs inside my car. I like the sort of yellowish hue that they give, but you can put LEDs and they'll still work. The touch sensitive function will actually still work, and you know, replacing it is just a matter of, there we go, and it's already making contact. We just twist it and it's working. There we go. Before you replace it, you'll see there's a hole over there and there's a little hole over there, and you've got to just wedge these two wedges in there when you're fitting it back. So fitting it back is the opposite of removal. Locate your two wedges in their place and clip the entire mechanism back in place, and your lights will be working again. While we're busy with these lights, I just want to show you something. If you hold the light down like that and it flashes, so what that really means is that your puddle lights by your mirrors and your Footwell lights are all set to come on when you unlock the car. While the light is on and you press and you hold it again and it flashes again, that tells you that your puddle lights are now off. And even if you open your door, the lights will not come on. You see there? No puddle lights. And the lights will also not come on if you unlock the car. That's just something handy if you're going to be working on your car and you're going to have the doors open for a lengthy period of time. You don't want to run the battery flat, because let's face it, these cars do not like their battery to even go just a little bit down, otherwise you get a warning on the dash. You can do that and you can have your doors open as long as you want and work on your car. And now for the trunk light. To do this, I'm going to have to climb into the trunk and show you guys how to change this light over there. And you can see I've got a LED bulb in there. So now I'm actually inside the trunk, and I'm just trying to show you guys you can actually change the bulb just from the back like that, and you can see my LED bulb in there. You don't even have to remove the light fitting or even unplug it. And I sometimes unplug if I'm gonna be working on the trunk and I have the trunk open for a lengthy period of time, then I normally just pull that plug out, that red plug over there, I pull it out. But as you can see, it uses a festoon bulb, and I think this bulb is 42 millimeters in length, and we can actually measure that. So as you can see there, the bulb that I'm using here is 40 millimeters long, and you can use a 42 millimeter bulb as well. It will work perfectly fine. And you can see this is the bulb that I actually used in my trunk. It's pretty bright and it also gets pretty hot. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it helped just one person, then I've done my job. So if you have any comments or if you have any questions, please pop them in the comments below and stay tuned for the next video. Cheers.